welcome back to our channel.
Hey!
So in today's video we have another Friday First for you, and we're very excited about this one.
We're making dinner.
We're making dinner. What are we making?
That's the first time we've ever made dinner.
Yeah, we've never eaten dinner before.
Just kidding. The first is that we're gonna try and do-it-yourself Chick-Fil-A.
Yep, we're doing
DIY.
nuggets.
Nuggets.
Because their buns are so good, and I knew I would be disappointed by like whatever bun we had. So that's what we're doing. So I've already prepped the chicken, and so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So make sure.
And waffle fries too.
Oh yeah.
Duh.
We didn't like make those from scratch or anything. They're just frozen.
They're in the air fryer.
Yeah. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to our channel before you leave, and let's go ahead and get started.
Ooh.
Okay, so what? Are they burnt?
No, they look good.
Oh, heck yeah. Leave them in there so they stay hot. Let me try one. They're done. Okay, so we have our little recipe right here. The first thing that we did ahead of time is we put the chicken in little pieces and we combined them with eggs and a cup of milk into a bowl. Put them in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes just to sit. Now we have our peanut oil going on the stove, and then we're just waiting for that to heat up. So in the meantime, we're gonna put all of our dry ingredients together.
Breadcrumbs, finely chopped. What is this? What are they? Finely processed?
They're just from a box.
Breadcrumbs from a box. Is this flour?
Yeah,
Flour
from a bag.
from a bag of flour. From the rolling hills of Indiana.
That is powdered sugar, chili powder,
Powdered sugar, chili powder,
white pepper,
white pepper,
kosher salt.
and kosher salt. Bang. All right, and then I combine these.
Yeah, here's a whisk.
Shake, shake, shake. Ooh.
You like that?
Mix all of your dry ingredients. Okay.
Now it's time to dip the chicken into here, and then we're gonna let them sit for a minute. So all the chicken is in here. So I'm just gonna grab some, toss it in around. And then set it down. Our oil is bubbling, and so it's time to drop some in, and it said just to do it in batches, and then put them in there for 2 to 3. I'm talking.
Sorry. Sorry.
And then put it in for 2 to 3 minutes. Hold on, do one at a time, just so we don't like screw all of them up. Don't drop it hard. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. Tell me one thing. How disappointed are you going to be if we like burn all of these?
It can't be much worse than the Christmas cookies that we tried to do that one time.
Exactly what I was thinking. You guys should
No.
go watch that. It was actually the biggest disaster.
That's the worst. We could have used the flour that we had this time.
I know, we didn't have any flour. Oh, that was so funny.
Yeah.
I actually think these are coming along though.
Hope so.
They smell good.
Yeah, it smells good. Fried things usually do. What made you want to do this Friday first?
Chick-Fil-A, duh. Don't you love Chick-Fil-A?
Yeah. Nice waffle fry. Probably have to put those back in the air fryer. They're getting a little cold.
That's okay.
That's our timer.
Okay.
All right, why don't you scoop them?
I'll do one and see. Ooh! Should we leave it in for one more minute?
Maybe. Well, I don't know. Sounding pretty aggressive.
Okay, what do you think? Should I take them out? Ow!
Careful.
Should I take them out?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my
Wow.
gosh, yes! Heck yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put them over here. It said don't block them or anything.
instead of meat.
Yeah, because they could get soggy.
Is that all of them?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're so good at this. Thrilled. Okay, whoop, whoop. Oh, they're so crispy! I'm so happy. Oh, we need to make the sauce.
Yeah. Sauce it up, chick.
We should probably wait till these are done so we don't like forget.
Well, but then everything's gonna be cold. Why don't you start making the
We
sauce?
can throw
I'll
them in
watch
the air
these.
fryer.
Nah.
Okay.
Why don't you start making the sauce? Good lord. Oh my goodness.
What?
That booty. BTB. Bring
Bring
that
that
booty.
booty. I'm gonna try a little piece. Oh my gosh.
So good, right?
It's got that like sweet flavor that those have. Oh my god.
You doing good here?
Okay, our sauce is a little bit of a weird color, but I think it's good. It's not like spot on, but it's pretty close.
That's good. I can do this, right?
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, can I please get a 12 count?
I want more than that. Just kidding. I'm not taking the best ones, I promise. Do you still see the ones that you wanted?
I just like those tiny ones.
Okay.
Take the fat ones. Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good for me.
Okay, get your fries.
Yummy.
Yum.
These look great. What a dinner.
What an evening.
We're having an evening. Ooh, I want that guy right there.
Aww.
We can share it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then we can just bring the sauce over there.
Will do.
Got it.
Madame.
We better not get that on the couch. Okay, you ready to try?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Got my nugget? Cheers.
Got my nugget.
Got our whatever little nugget.
Aw.
It's pretty dang close to the real thing.
It's so good. It's really good.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it, Bubba. That completes our first. Nope. That completes our second Friday first. Oh. And let us know what you want us to do for the next one, right?
Yeah, let us know.
Let us know.
Bye guys.
Bye.